Yesterday we started with the nature of the roots. So in a test or in an exam, they're going to ask you determine the nature of the roots without solving the equation. So bepaal die aard van die wortels sonder om die vergelyking op te los. So you only have to go and do this thing where you work out a little triangle, and then from the answer you get in the triangle, make deductions. Okay. Graad 9 is julle gaan graad 9 is, waar is ek nou? Graad 11, julle gaan daai goeders moet leer. Julle gaan moet leer dat as die driehoekie kleiner is as 0, nie reël. If it's equal to 0, it's real, rational, equal. If it's a complete square, then it's real, rational, unequal. Goed. So as hy so lyk, dan gaan sê ons die driehoekie gaan wees. Wat is B? Negative 3. What's A? Which gives me 109. Okay. So the first thing is it's bigger than 0. It's not a negative number. Do you guys agree? Nee? So dit beteken ons gaan 3 goed moet sê. Die oomblik as jy sien hy is nie negatief nie, dan moet jy 3 goed sê. The first thing you have to say is that it's real. Okay. Now we look at the type of number that it is. Is that a complete square? If you're not sure, type into your calculator the square root of 109. And if that doesn't give you a whole number, then it's not a complete square. So it's not a complete square. So dan moet jy weet dit beteken dis irrational and unequal. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Literally only work out the little triangle, die discriminant. Gaan werk net hom uit en dan kyk jy na jou antwoord en jy sê hierdie ene is groter as 0 en hy is nie gelyk aan 'n volkomme vierkant nie. So dan kry jy daai afleiding daar uit. Goed. Okay. This is b squared minus 4ac. Onthou dis dit wat onder die vierkantswortel staan in ons formule. So wat is b? Minus 3, mooi. What is a? No, my handwriting is bad, but it's a 2. The previous one was a 7. Did you say 2? Sorry, I heard 7. Okay. And C? Yeah. Are you scared to answer now? What do you guys get? Negative 31. Okay. So, die oomblik as dit 'n kleiner as 0 getal is, the moment that it is a negative number, your luck is in, because that means that you only have to write down one thing. Okay, if the number doesn't exist, it's not real, then how can it be rational or equal or whatever? So that's why we can't say anything else. Die feit dat jou sakrekenaar vir jou, as jy hierdie ene gaan intik in die kwadratiese formule, gaan jou sakrekenaar vir jou sê math error. So there are no solutions. So we can't classify the solutions as whole numbers or decimal numbers or whatever. It doesn't exist. Okay. Maak hierdie vir julle sin, graad 11s? Die 4 van julle wat hier voor my sit? Sort of? Okay. That. So, dit gaan wees 5 kwadraat minus 4 maal 3 maal 1. Do you guys also get 13? Yeah? Okay, so in other words, it's going to be the same as number 2 solution. Want daai een is groter as 0 because it's a positive number, it has to be real. That's the first thing you write down. Okay. Then this is not a complete square. Dis nie 'n volkomme vierkant nie, so dis irrasionaal. And it's unequal. En wat ek gister in die video vir julle probeer sê het oor daai ongelyk is, dit beteken hy het twee antwoorde. If it has equal answers, then it would have been something like x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. In other words, that's the parabola that has its turning point on the x-axis. So it actually only has one solution. If it's unequal, then it's typical of those that you write down x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 7. Okay, in this case, it would have been x is equal to 3,14925, whatever, because it's not rational. And then the other one would have been an irrational number as well. And the last one you had to do for homework. Do you guys agree? Smaller than 0? So, non-real.